Hi folks, welcome to the 8th episode of the series. I'm going to explain a program in Python which is finding the maximum number in a list. I have created a list of random numbers in the list and stored in a variable number list. Here in the second line, I am assuming that the first number 12 is the largest number. I'm just assuming that 12 is the largest number. Here I represented the index of the variable. Then I am using for loop to go through each number in a list one by one. In every round of the loop, the current number will be stored in the variable num. I check the current number is greater than the max value, which is 12 in the next line. Here I am checking other numbers than 12 is greater than 12 or not. Other than 12, whatever number is there in the list, I'm checking that if those numbers are greater than 12 or not. Next line, I am updating the greater number which are present in the list as the updated max number. For example, here it will after loop in the condition it will check and 12 is compared with 3. Here 3 is small number, so that doesn't matter. Here 55 is larger than 12, so first we assigned 12 as the max. Here 55 next in the fourth line, fifth line, 55 will be assigned into max. Then it will be 55 is compared with 23. So max does not updated. Then 6 will be compared with 55. It is also not changed. Then 78 is compared with 55. So the max is updated to 78. Then other two numbers 33 also compared with 78. So it is 33 is lesser than 78. It is true. Then 4 is compared with 78. It is also true. 4 is lesser than 78. Then we got the output max. I'm printing max here. So the remaining or updated bigger number in the list will be printed here. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching video.